Which vitamin is good for a healthy body? Several vitamins are essential for maintaining a healthy body, each playing a unique role. Here are some key vitamins and their benefits. 1. Vitamin A supports healthy vision, immune function, and skin health. 2. Vitamin C important for immune system support, skin health, and the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. 3. Vitamin D crucial for bone health as it helps the body absorb calcium. It also supports immune function. 4. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage and supports immune function. 5. Vitamin K essential for blood clotting and bone health. 6. B vitamins B1, B2, B3, B6, B1, folate, etc. These are important for energy production, brain function, and red blood cell formation. Each of these vitamins plays a distinct role in maintaining overall health, and a balanced diet is the best way to ensure you get enough of each.